Today we are making very quick, healthy and light breakfast poha. For making these we need 1 cup poha, 1 cup chopped onion, 1 cup chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon roasted peanut, 1 tablespoon roasted cashew nut, 1 green chili, 4-5 curry leaves, chopped coriander leaves, half lemon, 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seed, 1/4 teaspoon mustard seed, salt to taste, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon jeera powder, a pinch of asafoetida. Clean and wash the poha with the help of sieve in enough water. Gently and keep aside for 10 minutes. Make sure that the water is completely drained from poha. Heat oil in a pan. When oil is hot, then add mustard seeds. When the seed starts spluttering, add cumin seed. Curry leaf, asafoetida, green chili, then add chopped onion, and saute for 2 minutes. Then add chopped tomato, and saute for 2 minutes. Add roasted peanut, roasted cashew nut, mix well. And then add turmeric powder, jeera powder, coriander powder, Salt to taste. Mix well. And cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Check the grain by pressing it. If it gets crushed easily, then it will be softened enough. Now add poha. Mix well. And cook for 1 minute. Add lemon juice. Coriander leaves. Mix well. And switch off the gas. And serve poha.